Hello and welcome to this overview video on the farm sustainability standards. On the 1st of January 2026, Northern Ireland will replace the cross-compliance model with a new simplified system called Farm Sustainability Standards as part of the Sustainable Agricultural Programme. These 7 standards will apply to all schemes and set out the key responsibilities that farm businesses must meet in return for full payment of subsidy support claimed by them. The legislation is designed to support farmers while continuing to protect the environment, animal and human health, and animal welfare, thereby underpinning the integrity of the Northern Ireland agri-food industry.
Farm Sustainability Standard 1 – Protection of waters from pollution. The aim of Standard 1 is to protect waters from pollution caused by nitrates, phosphates, hazardous substances, and plant protection products. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must ensure there is no pollution or significant risk of pollution to waterways or groundwater, ensure that all organic matter and livestock manure stores are adequately constructed, managed, and maintained, ensure their lands are sustainably managed for nitrogen and phosphorus, and meet additional environmental standards if derogated, ensure organic manure, fertilizer, and dirty water is not spread in a location, time, or weather likely to cause water pollution, ensure that farmyard manure, poultry litter, anaerobic digestate fibre, and silage bales are not stored in a location or manner likely to cause water pollution, keep, submit, and be able to produce required records, ensure that no hazardous substance is allowed to enter groundwater, ensure the safe use of plant protection products near water, ensure the safe storage, handling, and disposal of pesticides to prevent leaks from stores and/or spillage into watercourses, and ensure that such operations do not endanger human health, and ensure that all pesticide application equipment is working correctly to ensure safe and accurate application of plant protection products. Farm Sustainability Standard 2 – Protection of Habitats and Biodiversity. The aim of Standard 2 is to protect areas of special scientific interest, special protection areas, or special areas of conservation, sites and their features. This also includes habitats and biodiversity on all lands. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must prevent damage to areas of special scientific interest, special protection areas, or special areas of conservation, sites and their features, restore damage caused to the areas of special scientific interest, special protection areas, or special areas of conservation and/or their features, protect the habitats and biodiversity for nesting birds, protect habitats and biodiversity from damage caused by use of plant protection products, and protect habitats and biodiversity from invasive alien species. Noxious weeds must also be controlled under this farm sustainability standard.
Farm Sustainability Standard 3 – Protection of Landscape, Archaeological and Heritage Features. The aim of Standard 3 is to protect and maintain landscape, archaeological and heritage features. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must protect and maintain landscape features, i.e. hedgerows, trees, ditches or shooks, dry stone walls and earth banks, and protect and maintain heritage features. Farm Sustainability Standard 4 – Protection of Soils. The aim of Standard 4 is to protect soil as a resource by preventing soil erosion, by ensuring minimum soil cover, and through maintaining soil carbon stocks. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must ensure that soil is protected from soil erosion.
Farm Sustainability Standard 5, Food and Feed, Herd and Flock Health and Biosecurity. The aim of Standard 5 is to protect public and animal health and to increase productivity and support agri-food producers by minimizing the risk from animal diseases. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must implement effective biosecurity measures on farm to minimize the risk of introduction and spread of disease, comply with disease detection, control and eradication measures, and produce food safe for human consumption. Farm Sustainability Standard 6, Welfare and Protection of Farmed Livestock. The aim of Standard 6 is to protect the welfare of farmed animals on farm and during transport by setting minimum standards for their care and husbandry. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must ensure the welfare of animals they own or keep and must ensure that these do not suffer unnecessary pain, suffering, injury, or disease. Farm Sustainability Standard 7, Livestock Identification and Traceability. The aim of Standard 7 is to protect public and animal health and support the agri-food industry by promoting a robust traceability system for cattle, sheep and goats. To comply with the main requirements, farmers must identify and register their cattle, sheep and goats as required under EU and domestic traceability legislation.
Thank you for listening to this information video on the new farm sustainability standards for Northern Ireland.